Hi students, in this session we will look at some of the important points for electric flux. Okay, see here first point, if the surface S is a closed surface, then the total electric flux through the closed surface is phi is equal surface integral EDS is equal to surface integral EDS cos theta. So that means when we take a closed surface, okay, that closed surface is placed inside the electric field. Now what is the electric flux linked with that closed surface? Okay, that is phi is equal, what is the flux through the total closed surface? Phi is equal surface integral for closed surface EDS. Okay, when we have this type of symbol, okay, this type of symbol represents closed surface integral for closed surface integral to the closed surface integral to the closed surface. Okay, this symbol represents surface integral to the closed surface. For suppose when we have only integration s, so this symbol represents only surface integral. This symbol represents surface integral for closed surface. When we use this circle over the integration, that represents closed surface. Okay, see here phi is equal to surface integral for closed surface EDS equal to, when we remove this dot we can take cos theta. Why? Because this product is a scalar product. In scalar product we have to take cos theta. Now this is the electric flux for any closed surface. So next point, electric flux may be positive or negative, sometimes zero. So when it is negative, when it is positive, when it is zero. Let us see here. This is surface area. What is area of this element? That is A. So okay, what is the area of this? This is a surface area element. It is a flat surface. So when we take an area element, what is its direction? Area is a vector quantity, we know that. Now what is the direction of the area vector? That is perpendicular outwards. So this is the direction of the area vector, perpendicular outwards. So this position, the surface position is as like this. So this is the direction of the area vector. So this is the direction of the area vector, this is the direction of the electric field. Now so there is an angle between these two, the angle between area vector and electric field, that is theta. In this situation, what is the electric flux? The electric flux linked with this area element is phi is equal to E dot A. When we remove this dot, we can take cos theta, EA cos theta. So this is the electric flux linked with this area element. Now this is called emerging flux. Flux is emerging out from the surface. This is EA cos theta. Now second case. So when this is a flat surface as like this, now area vector will be in this direction. Why? Because area vector always perpendicular outwards to the surface. When this is a surface, where is its direction? Where is its area vector? Area vector will be perpendicularly outwards. So this is the surface, this is the area vector as like this. Now in this case, electric field also in the direction of area vector. Now what is the angle between area vector and electric field? That is 0. What is angle? What is the angle between these two? That is 0. In this case, what is the electric flux linked with this area element? So that is E is equal to phi is equal to EA cos theta. We know this. What is the theta? 0. Why? Because these two are in same direction, then theta is 0. When we substitute theta equal to 0, we will get EA cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. 1 into EA, EA. This is maximum flux which is linked with that area element. This is phi is equal to EA. Next, when we take area element in this position, so now area vector will be perpendicular to this area element. This is the direction of the area vector. Now electric field is in the direction of flat surface. Okay, now this is the area element, this is the direction of the electric field. Okay, now the direction of the area vector will be in this direction. Now what is the direction between area vector and electric field? So that is 90 degrees. Both are perpendicular to each other. In this case, what is the electric flux linked with this area element? That will be 0. Why it is 0? See here, phi is equal to Ea cos theta. When we substitute theta equal 90. So what is the direction? A and E, that is 90. So we can substitute theta equal 90 degrees. When we substitute theta is 90 degrees, Ea cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0. So 0 into anything, that will be 0. Totally electric flux will be 0. That means there is no electric flux linked with that area element. Okay, this is minimum. This can be taken as 0. So when we will get maximum? When area vector and electric field both are in same direction. In that situation, in that condition, we will get maximum electric flux. When we get 0 electric flux, so when area vector and electric flux both are area vector and electric field both are in perpendicular direction, in that condition we will get 0 flux. We have no flux at that time, no flux linked with that area element. So this is flux is 0. Next, so this is the area element. Okay, this is the position of the area element. What is the direction of the area vector? This is the direction of the area vector. In this condition, electric field direction is opposite to the area vector. So this is the direction of the electric field, this is the direction of the area vector. So now both are in opposite directions. When both are in opposite direction, what is the angle between them? That is 180 degrees. Okay, now what is the electric flux linked with that area element? See here, phi is equal to Ea cos theta, Ea cos 180. What is theta? 180. When we substitute this, Ea cos 90 plus 90. Okay, what is cos 180? We can write this cos 90 plus 90. What is cos 90 plus theta? That is minus sin theta. That means I have written minus here, minus Ea sin 90. That means minus Ea. What is sin 90 value? That is 1. So 1 into anything, that is the value, minus E. So this is negative flux. Okay. So what is the indication of this negative flux? That is, the flux is entering to the closed surface. Okay, the flux is entering to the surface. That is represented by negative sign. So here negative sign indicates the flux entering into the surface. That is entering flux. Outward surface, we can take positive. Inward flux, okay, outward flux, entering flux we can take negative, outward flux we can take positive. So this is the third point. See here, for closed surface, what is that? Outward flux is taken to be positive and inward flux is taken to be negative. So this is a inward, so entering means inward, so that is negative. Okay, this is, what is that? So this is outward flux, so that is taken as positive. So that is, we can see in third point. So this is a closed surface, this is a closed sphere, closed surface. So electric flux lines, what is the electric field lines are away from the closed surface. That means electric flux is outward. Electric flux is outward from the closed surface, that is taken to be positive. This flux is taken to be positive. So in this diagram, electric field lines are coming into the closed surface. That means this is inward flux. Inward flux taken to be negative, outward flux taken to be positive. So these are the important points of the electric flux. Okay, thank you.